Hello, liebe Leute. Welcome back to my channel, Unique German Learning with Rashmi. In our previous video, we have learned conjugation of haben and sein. Now, in second part of haben and sein, we will learn where to use these verbs. Lektion, zwölf. Again, Lektion, zwölf. Haben und sein. Part 2, Anwendung. Anwendung, which means usage. Let's quickly revise the conjugation part which we have done in our previous video. Haben, which means to have, and sein, which means to be. Here are the personal pronouns and here are the conjugation part. Ich habe. Again, ich habe. Du hast. Es sie hat. Es sie hat. Wir haben. Wir haben. Ihr habt. Ihr habt. Sie haben. Again, this sie is formal one and this sie means they. Sie haben. Next is sein. Ich bin. Again, ich bin. Du bist. Du bist. Es sie ist. Es sie ist. Wir sind. Wir sind. Ihr seid. Ihr seid. And sie sind. Sie sind. Please note, whenever there is any singular third person or noun, we always use conjugation which is being used with as sie. For example, mein Vater ist Arzt, which means my father is doctor. Mein Vater is third person and singular. So the conjugation here comes according to as sie, which is ist. Next is ein Tag hat 24 Stunden. Again, ein Tag hat 24 Stunden, which means a day has 24 hours. Before moving ahead, I request you to please subscribe my channel and like this video if you really liked it, as it also motivates us to upload best possible for you. Please don't forget to share. So let's start with the usage part. Usage of sein. So, we use sein with adjectives. For example, sie ist schön. Sie ist schön, which means she is beautiful. Beautiful is an adjective. So, here comes ist. Sie ist schön. Next is ich bin stolz auf dich. Again, ich bin stolz auf dich, which means I am proud of you. Proud is an adjective. So, the usage of sein is with adjective. Ich bin stolz auf dich. Next usage of sein is with date and time. Second usage is with date and time. Heute ist Sonntag. Again, heute ist Sonntag, which means today is Sunday. Whenever we want to tell time or date or day, we use sein. Next is es ist jetzt 4 Uhr. It is now 4 o'clock. Es ist jetzt 4 Uhr. So, the third usage is for identification and stay. For example, ich bin Lehrerin. Ich bin Lehrerin. I am teacher. Lehrerin is teacher, which is telling about a profession. Beruf means profession. For example, we can also say ich bin Arzt or ist Arzt. So wherever there are professions, we use sein. Second is wir sind Indisch. Wir sind Indisch. We are Indians. Again, where we want to tell the nationality, so we use sein. Wir sind Indisch. Next is sie ist in London. Sie ist in London, which means she is in London. Here, we are telling about someone's stay in London. So when we used to tell someone stay somewhere, so we use sein. Next is usage of haben. Usage of haben. First is possession. Wherever we want to show the possession of something, we use haben. For example, ich habe ein Auto. Ich habe ein Auto. I have a car. Next is Sie haben kein Haus. Sie haben kein Haus. They have no house. So the first usage is with the possession and the second usage is belongingness. In case anything or someone belongs to someone, we use haben. For example, sie hat schöne Haut. Sie hat schöne Haut, which means she has beautiful skin. Next is er hat zwei Schwestern. Er hat zwei Schwestern. He has two sisters. Some other usage. For example, sie hat heute frei, which means she is free today. Here you think there is, so we can use ist, but here it is fixed that sie hat heute frei. With frei we use haben. She is free today. For a person, if any person is free today, then we use haben. Sie hat heute frei. She is free today. Second example is ich habe vor, ins Kino zu gehen. Ich habe vor, ins Kino zu gehen, which means I am planning to go to cinema. I am planning to go to cinema. So here you can see habe and vor. Vorhaben is a trend bar verb which we will do in our next videos. So please don't go into details, just learn it as they are. Ich habe vor, ins Kino zu gehen. So let's start with some practice part. Übung, which means practice. So let's start with the sein practice. Peter und Petra blank freundlich. Again, Peter und Petra blank freundlich. Freundlich is adjective for a hint and freundlich means friendly. Second is ich blank Studentin. Ich blank Studentin. Third is heute blank 30 Juni. Heute blank 30 Juni. Fear blank do in London. Blank do in London. Please pause the video here and take time to fill the answers and then start. Here are the answers. Antworten, which means answers. Peter und Petra sind sehr freundlich, which means Peter and Petra are very friendly. Second is ich bin Studentin. Ich bin Studentin. I am student. Heute ist 30 Juni, which means today is 30th June. Heute ist 30 Juni. Next is bist du in London? This is a question, so the verbs come first. Bist du in London? Are you in London? So next is the practice of haben. Blank Sie Kinder. This Sie is formal one. Please fill the blank accordingly. First is blank Sie Kinder. Next is meine Mutter blank lange Haare. Meine Mutter blank lange Haare. Third is ich blank dich lieb. Ich blank dich lieb. Don't forget to pause the video here to fill the answers. Antworten, answers. First is haben Sie Kinder, which means do you have children? Haben Sie Kinder. Second, meine Mutter hat lange Haare. Meine Mutter hat lange Haare, which means my mother has long hair. Third is ich habe dich lieb. Ich habe dich lieb, which means I love you. So we also say ich liebe dich and ich habe dich lieb is absolutely fine. The meaning of both are I love you. Ich liebe dich or ich habe dich lieb. Hope you have a good command on it. If you have any problem, please write down in the comment section below. Thank you so much.